In this video, I am going to reveal 3 new mind-blowing AI tools apart from Opus Pro, from where you can convert any long videos into YouTube Shorts in just one simple click. Can you imagine? These tools have their own unique feature. So, let's start with our first AI tool, which is Vidyo AI. As you can see, from here you can upload video or just paste the YouTube video link here. After that, select the video format you want to export. Here I will choose YouTube Shorts, which is portrait format. Next, select any 3 templates for Shorts video, and you can choose your social media handle. Here I will type my YouTube handle. Then, click on Done, and AI will process the entire video and send an email when it is done. Also from the dashboard, from here you can see your progress. Generally, it takes 5 to 10 minutes for 1 hour-long video. After processing the video, here you can see the 28 shorts have been generated and are ready to download. If you want any changes, just click on Edit, and here you can play with various options like subtitles, elements, backgrounds. And here Magic Cut is to track cut and scene changes in the video. Not really important. After editing the video, you can download in 720p as a free trial, as Vidyo AI offers up to 75 minutes to make short videos for free. After downloading, you can see the results here, which is pretty good. I will give all the links in descriptions. So now, let's move to our second tool, which is 2 Shorts. It is also an exciting tool to generate shorts. Simply paste the YouTube video link here, and AI will analyze the whole video and make the script for YouTube Shorts, as you can see here. First Shorts 59 seconds, second Shorts 30 seconds, and so on. Here I will choose first one. Click on Edit. In the Edit section, you can play with auto crop settings, and inside the subtitle, you can play with subtitle preset, subtitle size, and position. Also, you can preview the results by clicking the play button here. After you made desired settings, click on Export, and your video is ready to post. And last but not least tool is Clap App. This tool gives you 1 free trial, which can generate up to 10 shorts from 1 video link. Like before, you can make short video by pasting a YouTube video link. Simply paste the YouTube video link, and AI will analyze and make short video ready to post. Here you can see the virality score and script. If we go to the Edit section, you can see the video, caption, and style section. In the caption section, you can see the script, and in the style section, you can play with fonts and colors, and from here you can export the video. So check out the links in the description below, and make sure to subscribe for more AI tools update.